Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master. Today I have a 2011 Mazda CX7. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to get this tail light out. Could be slightly difficult. So here is the one we took out on the other side. So as you can see, there's 3 bolts that hold it in and a clip. Alright, so you have to get this. There's an access panel on both sides. You take that out and you'll see 3 studs in there for that light. Now we already removed it, but there they are, 10mm bolts. So you get those 3 out. Once you get those 3 out, the clip is still holding it here, which makes it very difficult. If you look at a lot of my videos, that clip is very difficult. So what I recommend is you first start wiggling. And you want to get that frontward pressure of the light. You can either use a plastic spreader like that, or you have a tool kind of like this here that goes in there. And if you want to use this one. And you don't want to break the light. You got to watch it get fragile. So you want to just kind of work it, and then all of a sudden it'll slide out. Pressure needs to come forward this way. There you go. You put the pressure on it. This one wasn't bad. We've already disconnected the wire from the back. But if you look at this, that little slide there goes onto that clip. And then when you reinstall it, you've got to get that on that slide too for it to fit right. That was actually pretty easy. The other side was hard. When you wiggle, 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 you pull, 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 it doesn't come, and then all of a sudden it comes. So you have to hang in there. Even though that looked very easy, it's usually not that easy. Joe Beer Master, Car Master, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this with a friend. Take care.